Is it dangerous? Stop looking up my nose. What's wrong with you? Stop it. Stop it, woman. Stop. So, anyway, kids didn't want to miss school to go riding. It's like Wednesday, and it's like the middle of the week, and it's like, well, Wednesday is the middle of the week, but anyway, it's like the perfect day because it's going to get up to the mid to high 70s, and we don't get that in November a lot, which, you know, should never look a gift horse in the mouth. So, I'm down here at Mountwood with no one else riding with me because kids had to go to school and the wife had to work. I gave everyone the day off. Not paid or anything, but I, hey, you don't have to work today. Check on my wallet. Anyway, don't have to work today because, you know, just take it off, have some fun. I'm going riding. Hell with all y'all. And they wanted to work. And I'm like, no, man, we're ahead on this contract. We don't need to do it. But they decided to. They wanted to work. So, okay, finish deciding on that house. We're going to do it tomorrow. And Friday, when it, you know, gets bad, we'll take and work inside and do some of that drywall, which I hate to do. So, everyone's working except me. Because I guess I figured out something. When you're the boss, you can, you know, take a day off. But I tried to get everyone to take a day off, but no one would. That's the problem with America. No one wants to take a day off anymore and go and have some fun. It's like, what? What's that fun stuff? So I heard Mountwood had a couple new trails down here. So that's what we're doing. We're going to go down here and find them and ride them, I hope. Ride some of the ones we didn't get to last time. Because you only got one life. You got to take a day off every once in a while and just ride. This is number 10. It's the main trail. Everything at Mountwood is on a hill. Like up or down. Now there's some flats, but squirrel. This is 14. It's a blue trail. Okay.